And today we're privileged, honored to have Ted Blachly as our presenter.
All right.
Thank you very much.
I wanted to go over some of the less celebrated tools than the hand planes and the beautiful Lee Nicholson spoke shaves. I have some of those too, but it seems like the edge tools get all the glory, you know, and the rasps or whatever are some frowned upon by some people, but I find them very useful. But in a machinist vise, you can set up specialized blocks to hold apart. I have one in my shop. This is a pattern maker's vise, or something they call a gunstock vise. The jaws, as you can see, they swivel. So if you have odd parts, you know that, and that spins around. So there's all sorts of turn. But anyway, if you don't have one of these, so they're handy, and I have. So I promise you I'd tell you about rasps and stuff like that. And this is the star of the show, right here. This is a microplane. What I would do if I was to, say, put a dome on this. Say I wanted a curved surface on this. I'm hoping to get some tear out here so I can pitch my other tools. So, but with this, you're working across the grain. And again, this particular tool is, it's more like a chiseling action. It's a little different than these other rasps, which I would use after this. But basically, if I'm going for this dome, I'm just trying to maintain an angle here. The other one, which is available, I don't know, anybody use a Shinto rasp? The teeth. But this is flat. And the next ones are the Nicholson rasps, which I still use them. They have a lot more fancy rasps now. What are the, after the, it's a little, little of this. Do I want to use a scraper? And again, it will clean up the rasp marks. The other way to keep your shape is to use you can go right to sanding like with 80. The next, like the last thing you do would be to break the edges. So this is still a product. It's for sale. It's it's got to be careful of it, but. This is about as sculptural as I get. It's a floor lamp, and it would